This is Emeet AirFlow Open-ear earbuds. At this moment, this is the most favorite set of open-ear earbuds. But why? What are the advantages? Why do I like this one so much that I don't even want to share this with my girlfriend Thea? Oh yeah, I shared this with my girlfriend because this Emeet AirFlow comes with a crazy tech, something nice and innovative. So me and Thea, we both can use this one without being worried about hygiene. And definitely Thea also loves this Emeet AirFlow Open-ear earbuds. Before we talk about the features and all the advantages, let's quickly go through the unboxing. And even before that, I have a request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, the first thing I have noticed is the weight of this pair of earbuds. Each of the earbuds weighs only 8.6 grams, which is feather light compared to the other open-ear earbuds available on the market. The charging case of this Emeet AirFlow is truly a thing. Not only the build quality is good, it's easy to open the top lid, there is a nice and strong hinge. More importantly, this case can sterilize the earbuds up to 99.99%. Just click on the dedicated button and the charging case will use UV lights to sterilize the buds. That's really a nice and unique feature. Okay, let's talk about the earbuds, the star of this show. After unboxing, Thea has wore it first and said, "Wow, it's a perfect fit." So I was worried, would it fit on my ear? Cause we have different sized auricles. But once I have tried it, wow, it has fitted like a glove. I truly enjoy wearing this pair cause it has an ergonomic ear hook inspired by a golden spiral, and they have added innovative open-ear design with air conduction tech. With a meticulous analysis of 2,560 types of ear shapes, AirFlow has been designed to perfectly fit with various ear types, offering ultimate comfort for all. The earbuds are crafted with premium, cotton-soft, skin-friendly silicone and a durable 1mm memory titanium wear. It feels as soft as cloud. The precise design ensures exceptional comfort through the usage even if we wear glasses or a mask. So this Emeet AirFlow creates a less pressure on our ears. That means it effectively reduces the risk of hearing issues. We also got a pair of stabilizer fins for different ear shapes. That helps a lot. Okay, I know you all are waiting to know about the performance of this Emeet AirFlow. Equipped with two built-in omnidirectional microphones and a detachable microphone boom, AirFlow is designed to capture our voice with utmost clarity, ensuring a professional-grade voice calling experience. Moreover, Emeet has their own self-developed ENC algorithm, Voice Core, that optimizes voice call experience. Voice Core enables dual-channel noise cancellation up to 50 decibel. It offers a much clearer, rich and warm voice to the other end during a call or meeting. Voice Core simultaneously works and cancels both the close end and the far end noise. Close end noise cancellation works when we speak during a call. The environmental noise will be decreased so that the other side of the call can hear our voice clearly. Far end noise cancellation works when we listen to the other end during a call. The environmental noise coming from the other side of the call will be decreased so that we can hear the other side of the call clearly. Okay, let's check how good is the performance of that voice core algorithm and how good is the performance of Emeet AirFlow noise cancellation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put music in this room. I'm going to make this room a very noisy one. It's a very big hall. It's not that small as my other studio. It's a very big one, a widespread one. And I have 3 loudspeakers with a woofer. So let's put the music on. It's already very high, the music over here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna use this Emeet AirFlow to record a video. Yeah, it's connected to my... Okay. Okay, let me finish. It's connected to my Google Pixel 8 Pro. So yeah, I'm gonna record a video now and we are gonna check the sound quality of this Emeet AirFlow. Let's put the music on. Let's record the video. Okay, I've started to record the video and yeah, one more time, this phone is connected to my Emeet AirFlow. Let's check the sound quality. What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Emeet AirFlow Open-ear earbuds. This is the most favorite earbuds at this moment. I mean, among all the open-ear earbuds that I have. And yeah, I have connected the boom mic and we are testing the voice algorithm which Emeet. And now I will let you listen to the sound that this microphone has recorded when I have recorded the sound. So you can actually differentiate between the performance. Let's listen to the original sound from this microphone. What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Emeet AirFlow Open-ear earbuds. This is the most favorite earbuds at this moment. I mean, among all the open-ear earbuds that I have. And yeah, we are testing the voice score algorithm along with noise cancellation performance of this Emeet AirFlow. After using it for the past couple of days, I'm truly obsessed with the performance of this Emeet AirFlow. I have seen different people use different type of adjectives to describe the performance of a set of earbuds, but I'm not like them. I believe in real life performance. Cause I know real life experience is much more important. The all-new hyper-bass algorithm delivers deeper and more powerful bass tones, taking bass performance to the next level while keeping power consumption to a minimum. The 16.2mm composite driver combines high-quality sound with superior fidelity for an unbeatable audio experience. With its larger size, the driver produces richer, clearer, and more detailed sound, giving us a delightful listening experience. The sound quality of AirFlow is not only comparable to premium open-ear earbuds, it is somewhat better than many other flagship and expensive in-ear earbuds. I have tested Emeet AirFlow in different environments with different type of ambient sound and noise. And you know what? Emeet AirFlow has made me so very satisfied with a very stable and rich listening experience. When fully charged, each earbuds offer 8 hours of playtime and 40 hours of playtime with the charging case. 5 minutes of charging means 1 hour of playtime. Emeet AirFlow is IPX5 certified, so it is able to withstand splashes of water and prevent sweat from entering into the earbuds, avoiding potential damage and bacteria breeding inside, ensuring a premium and relieved listening experience in every scenarios. Oh yeah, Emeet AirFlow supports MPC multi-point connection, so we can connect up to 2 devices using Bluetooth. As it supports Bluetooth 5.3, it offers a very long range, and we can also use the dongle. We can use the dongle and Bluetooth at the same time, so we can switch between the dongle and the Bluetooth if we need. We can also switch between 2 Bluetooth devices if necessary, and the switching is pretty seamless. There is no issue. It works perfectly fine. Okay, before we wrap up, I need to talk about the application Emeet Tune. This is developed by Emeet and there are a lot of features inside the application. There are a few preset sound signatures. We can choose our preferred one, like classic, vocal, bass boost, treble boost, and yeah, we can even customize our own sound signature through the equalizer in the application. We can customize touch controls in music mode and call mode. These offers quick access to multiple functions and simplify every operation for a seamless user experience. We can activate the hearing protection reminder feature to safeguard our ears against exposure to excessively high volume or prolonged usage. This feature also serves as a helpful daily reminder to sterilize our earbuds and maintain optimal ear health. There are 3 reminders: high volume reminder, long-term use reminder, and sterilization reminder. Well, that's all about this Emeet AirFlow Open-ear earbuds. If you're in the market and looking for a set of premium open-ear earbuds, then I wouldn't hesitate for a split of a second to recommend this to you. Because at this moment, this one offers a very good value for money. It's not only about value for money, this Emeet AirFlow performs like a monster. I have left a link of this Emeet AirFlow in the description box below. If you're interested, go ahead, check the product. But before that, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button And please subscribe to this channel, support honest content.